Hey everyone, welcome to the Karthik's Tech Lab. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily download the official Windows 10 ISO file directly from Microsoft. Whether you're setting up a new PC, creating a virtual machine, or just need the ISO for a fresh installation, I'll guide you through the simple steps to get the latest version of Windows 10. Let's jump right into it. Open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you prefer. Click on Download Now below Create Windows 10 Installation Media, and select the destination to save the file. Name it as Windows 10 and click on Save. Media creation file will get download. Now click on the downloaded file. Click Yes on the screen. Windows 10 preparation starts now. Read the terms and condition and scroll down to end and click Accept button. Important change: you need to select the second option, Create Installation Media for another PC, and click on Next. Make sure to uncheck the Use the recommended option for this PC. Select Architecture drop-down both, which allow to install 32 and 64-bit operating system. Select default language as English and click on Next. To download the ISO file, select the second option, ISO file, and click on Next again. Choose the file destination to save. Name it as Windows 10 and click on Save. Once the download finishes, the tool will notify you that the ISO file has been successfully created. You can now burn it to a DVD, create a bootable USB drive, or use it in a virtual machine. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Windows 10 ISO. You can now use this ISO to install or reinstall Windows 10 on any compatible device. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.